how to download and install Microsoft Teams in laptop. So if you want to download and install Microsoft Teams in your laptop, then what you can do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just go with your Microsoft Store. If you have your Microsoft Store, just click on Microsoft Store, and under your Microsoft Store, you can search for Microsoft Teams. After searching for Microsoft Teams, just wait for a few seconds, and here you will have the Microsoft Teams option or the application. You can just simply go with Get, which will be right here, or you may also have the install option. You can just simply click on install, and it will start the installing or the downloading process. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes to download, and after downloading, you'll be able to use that. But if you don't have Microsoft Teams on your Microsoft Store, then you can go with your browser, and you can also download it from your browser also. So that's it. That's how you can download and install Microsoft Teams in your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.